We've got some flurries still flying out there from areas
Wow.
like Graham and High Point. Winston-Salem has seen some of those shut down, but it's moving through, and we've got some issues on the roadways as a result. Snow flurries are ending this afternoon in the Triad, mainly in the southeastern parts of the Triad. Black ice on roads again as early as after sunset. So our temperatures are hovering right now in the low 30s across the Triad. We're going to try and get you up for a couple of hours as we start to see some partial clearing. I don't think you're going to see full sunshine today, but we are also now talking about new winter weather advisories as a result of the concern for temperatures that continue to fall off. Saturday, 7 a.m. This is going to go into effect for folks in areas of Ashe, Watauga, as well as Grayson County. And this is because we have a couple more rounds to go. We're looking at this developing system, the next front coming our way, and that could really bring us an issue. So that is going to be in effect by 1 o'clock tomorrow, and there's a chance for snow and that wintry mix to develop even in the Triad. We're going to be watching this very carefully. You can see our hour-by-hour forecast today in the mid and upper 30s, so it takes us above freezing. This helps a lot of the main roads. Still some of the side roads and Mountain Valley locations too. You'll be closer to those 20s at times to low 30s, so near freezing. That's the trick, right, is trying to get temperatures well above normal to help things melt. We need some sunshine in here that we may not get this afternoon. And then we look ahead to the overnight hours. A couple of waves of energy right ahead of the next front could roll through. Might be some light flurries for folks in the mountains, and then whatever's left on the ground could be trying to roll through. Very dry conditions though at this point to the east. I don't think we're going to pick up a whole lot through later tonight. I do think temperatures are going to tumble into the 20s, and after sunset tonight I have more concerns for the black ice forming. And with that, we could see a few flurries trying to get going in the northern Piedmont. Martinsville, Danville, you might have a quick wave of that moisture roll through. This is very light in comparison to what we're seeing this morning, even lighter than this. So just a few flurries expected. But then we get you going with the cold temperatures in the morning. We've got you down to the teens to low 20s. We're forecasting about 21 degrees around the Triad early in the morning as you're waking up. So a morning commute that could take us into that 20s freezing zone through about middle of the morning at least, until we start to see some improving temperatures coming above freezing between 10 and 11 a.m. And then we see those shower chances starting to form. With that, a couple of fronts starting to move our way. We might even see this warm front trying to lift in as we get you through Friday afternoon into the evening hours. But does it move in, and how quickly is the system approaching to bring in temperatures that are warm enough? We've got some upper 30s to low 40s, and we may see a mix late Friday afternoon into the evening hours. This is more of a concern for consistent snowfall for folks in the mountains and the western foothills. Could see mostly snow from this mixing in after some showers if we get the temperatures at the surface cold enough. And you're noticing here that we're kind of hovering in those upper 30s, low 40s. So this would be more of a wet kind of flurry action for us, but would we see any little bit of sleet or even freezing rain is out of the question, as temperatures look to be much warmer than that. So it looks like we just have a mix developing for Friday afternoon, early evening after a quick rain chance. And with that, it leaves us with some leftover remnant moisture, right? And that's what could freeze on the road. So this is more of a travel concern. Temperatures out there this morning, we're down to 28 degrees Winston-Salem, Mount Airy. We're at 27 in Galax to 27 in Jefferson, and those low 30s, so below freezing everywhere. And then you added a couple of snow flurries moving through. Some of those snow showers brought in about a quarter of an inch across parts of Winston-Salem to Greensboro. It's still going. You see Statesville, if you're traveling along 85 or 40 right now, you may run into that, and that only increases concerns for elevated surfaces becoming slick as temperatures are still near the freezing mark. This shuts down within the next few hours, and we see winds out of the east northeast still keeping us cold. We've got temperatures out there in the 30s as a result today. At best, mid to upper 30s in the Triad. Temperatures slide back into the 20s early morning, and then rain, maybe some evening mix chances on your Friday. We're going to keep it blustery and cold for Saturday, warming you up though Monday to 53, looking warmer.